What's good? Mad Pill Live. Back at you again with another case. Uh, Hit that like button, hit those notifications. Most of all, hit those like button. It'll with the subscribers up, get the algorithm going. So that's why it's important to hit the like. As y'all know what I do. I'm gonna go welcome the Facebook audience. Let's see. Sharing the Facebook. Pretty soon we're gonna be live on Twitch too. Um let's see. Let's see. Yo. All I share. Hit the like buttons. Keep hitting the like buttons. I got the update. I know I haven't did the FBG trial, but I will be now. Uh Actually, they are in day 4 and 5, I believe. Yes. For those of all who ain't familiar with FBG Duck, I'm just giving y'all a little rundown. Most of y'all familiar with FBG Duck who tune into this. Chicago rapper who was gunned down. He also wrote a lot of diss records. Going to my live real fast. Dissing the dead and word on the street that would got him killed, I believe. So yeah, Mad Peel will be covering trials. Hey, we're gonna be doing a YMW Melly trial when that trial is on. So we got Young Thug YSL trial tomorrow morning. So be sure to tune in to the Young Thug YSL trial in the morning. I will be covering that trial in its entirety. And the YMW Melly case. Y'all hit the like button as you come in. With my peeps. Pretty Brown, what's good? What's good, Pretty Brown? Let's go. So stay tuned to the YSL trial. Oh yeah, Pretty Brown. This is another one. I'm gonna be showing all of the trials, the latest trials. Like, so hit them notifications and keep hitting the like button as y'all as I bring y'all the real deal, the real trial as it go along. This tonight is not the FBG Duck Trial started already. It started November 3rd, I believe. And I think it resumed either Tuesday or Wednesday, I believe. I'm gonna be sure to try to bring it to y'all. I don't know how. What's up, Sierra? Oh yeah, Pretty Brown, you on vacation as today? Okay, yeah. I hope to see more of you. Yeah, but this was pretty uh this case. I mean, I really didn't know that it started, and that's why I jumped on it immediately. But I couldn't see no public court showing the case. So we are going to see if we can either get some on YouTube or Facebook. Or we're gonna find it, y'all. We're gonna try to show it to y'all. Yeah, FBG Duck. I wasn't really familiar with really FBG Duck like that. I heard his music, but after he died, I looked more into him. And I know some of y'all been following this case. I'm gonna play just a snippet on because this video can explain it better than myself. They can explain. This is the update on the FBG Duck trial, day 4 and 5. And then we're gonna hear it from his own mother on her own YouTube page. And she gonna tell her, and she's very interested. She got a great personality. She ratchet, yeah, but she's she got a great personality, and I can't wait to hear it.
All right, so I'm gonna give you an update on day 4 and 5. So let's get into it. So on day 4, court started with all 6 defendants present. Court started with the defense attorney of Ralph T. trying to change the jury. The defendant's attorney doubted credibility of the agent girly identification of the defendants due to subject's height and weight on camera. The defendant's attorney argued that the agent can't identify subjects using video footage. All other defendants' attorneys agreed with the objection. The government claimed their approach to identifying the subjects is credible and legal, and the evidence they used are being collected from 28 different cameras in Parkway Gardens. The jurors will have all the evidence to make a proper assessment. The judge also reviewed evidence of the surveillance tape that was used as evidence. To conclude, it will be used in the agent's testimony as evidence. The defendant's attorney also argued transcripts couldn't be used as evidence, only for the government to object and present factual reasons evidence can be used. Up next after lunch, 18 jurors came to court. 11 white jurors, 2 Muslim, and 5 black. The first witness of the court was Police Officer Trammell, who has been an officer for 7 years. He was also doing armed security off-duty at the Chanel store on Oak Street at the time of the incident. On August 4, 2020, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., he was working armed security. He was standing outside of the Chanel store on Oak Street, in charge of the COVID occupancy line. Across the street, you can see the Dolce & Gabbana store perfectly. He claimed to know FBG Duck from music and associating with him as an officer. In 2017, he once interacted with FBG Duck in the 18th district from a phone call of noise disturbance, and once during a traffic stop in 2018 in the Inglewood area. He claimed to know of FBG Duck's gang affiliation with the GDs of STL. When the government asked if the officer knew of any of his gang's opposition, it was quickly objected by the defendant's attorney in court. The CPD officer claims to have seen FBG Duck standing in the line of the Dolce & Gabbana store from the Chanel store. Nothing was blocking the officer's view. He claimed to be talking to two women in the line about hip-hop and talking about Chicago music, and showing them FBG Duck was present 3 minutes before the shooting occurred. He claimed someone called his name seconds before the shooting occurred. When the shooting started, the officer seen two hooded figures firing firearms in FBG Duck's direction. They were wearing dark clothes, masks, and hoodies. He claimed he'd seen a 4-door sedan and a gray Chrysler 300, and they double parked in front of the Chanel store before they jumped out, assassinating FBG Duck. During the firing of the weapons, the officer was escorting the customers that were waiting outside into the store for safety. He claimed to have pulled his gun when the shooting started, but didn't shoot out of safety for the civilians around the area. After the customers were escorted in, the off-duty officer locked them inside the Chanel store and stayed out front to guard the building. He claimed to see another officer on the scene calling for backup, which was the officer who first responded to a wounded FBG Duck. He claimed to have seen the same officer walking in the area 14 to 15 seconds before the shooting. He plays no role in the investigation as evidence, but just as a witness. Up next on the stand was FBI Special Agent Case, who has been an FBI agent for 5 years. She was a case agent for FBG Duck and another agent named Agent Dixon. She claims to have reviewed camera surveillance, police body cams, and other parts of evidence. She showed a map of Oak Street that showed the diaphragm of Oak Street to back her claims that were presented. Video footage was captured from Montclair, Milani, La Colonia, Arpels, Dolce & Gabbana, Von Cleef, and the Chanel store. Footage was shown of the gunshots going off and an officer running to the scene of the crime. On June 16th, the agent had taken photos and made layouts of the crime scene. The defendant's attorney said that Agent Case was seeing things on video surveillance that were never on video footage. 5 of the defendants have government attorneys, while Muwap has a paid lawyer who has remained silent throughout the trial. Agent Case also showed a video footage of Kenny Mack entering the Chrysler 300 before the murder and getting out after the murder and running up the stairs. Kenny Mack's defense attorney questioned validity of the video due to a frame skip. Court concluded with the defendant's attorneys said they wanted an expert video examiner to come tell the jury what a credible video should consist of. All right, but that's the end of...
And that's a little rundown. I'm going to let Momma D. What did I say, Momma D? Why am I thinking about Momma D? Oh, shit. Oh, man, why did I say Momma D? Momma Duck. Watching some love and hip hop. Now, Momma Duck has been to, I believe, court. I'm gonna let her explain it. I'm gonna shut my damn mouth. Mad Pill, hit that like button.
So tell y'all what's the tea. what's going on with me. And the first day the trial started, November 7th, officially. And that's when the defendants were in the courtroom. So this is the first time I lay eyes on these 6 people that allegedly killed my son. Okay, we're going to use allegedly because you are innocent until proven guilty. So I don't want to put, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But the alleged killers of Duck opening statement started and it went well. One of the state's attorneys, she got up. She opened up with, they had one mission. They had one job. And that was to kill FBG Duck, right? Y'all seen that all over the news. Get them lights up. Let me shut up. Because y'all already ain't supporting or donating or doing nothing. I told y'all it's costing me $50 fucking a day to park. Okay? This shit ain't no motherfucking joke. But I'll walk. This shit means so much to me. I will walk from Maxson all the way to the Dirksen building. I'll walk. I start at 3 o'clock in the morning. And by the time I fucking get there, it'll be time for court. That's how serious I am. But yeah, put the chat on subscribers mode. I said that. Put the chat on subscribers mode. Yeah, all the way from Maxson, 254th Street, some motherfucker. Well, yeah. Okay, AZ King, now we talking. That's what I'm talking about. I appreciate you, baby. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now let's see if we're going to get them lights to max them viewers.
Yeah, what she said.
I ain't going to start. See, this is going to be my little intermission where I take my little smoky smoke. And as y'all can see, I'm sober as fuck right now. Like, I haven't had time to smoke. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But do they start working at 6 o'clock in the morning? See, I ain't been on the bus since 2016. I ain't been on no type of public transportation since 2016, okay?
Me either.
And I don't know how it's going. I don't know how it's going. Summer, you did donate again. Thank you very much. Just hit the like button.
What she
Yeah, I
said.
gotta excuse my eyes. They all puffy. I swear I've been crying. I've been laughing. I've been smiling. Jarsis, Macer, thank you. Thank you very much for the super chat.
Yeah, the
Thank
super chat.
you. That's right, Trenches. Tell them, smash that motherfucking like button so I can give it away. I'm telling y'all, if y'all stealing my content and ain't showing me no love,
show us some love.
Shout me out. I'ma strike y'all page. Y'all do know that, right?
Show love to Momma Duck. Subscribe to Momma Duck right now. See, I don't want care. That strike. Subscribe to Momma Duck.
I know y'all got big platforms and everybody don't watch me. So if y'all taking my content, please be mindful and give a bitch a shout out or something. Okay? Give me a shout out. Come on, get them up there. When them lights max that, I swear I'm gonna start talking. Mm-hmm. When my lights max my viewers, I promise I'm gonna start talking.
You know what? That's
and
what I
trust me, y'all. This is real, raw, and uncut. This is what's been going on. So y'all listening to somebody who ain't actually been there, I wouldn't trust it. But hey, everybody got their own shit they got to do. I'm not talking about nothing but this case. Don't start asking me no off-wall ass questions. If it's not concerning Carlton Weekly, please don't get on this chat. Hey, Jay, you in the building? Y'all don't know her. Jay from the same hood. Me and Jay from the same hood. Yeah, low end's fine, and she just got the fuck up out of here. But we definitely so, you know what I'm saying? Jay know me. You know what I'm saying? She know me from the hood. Like, she probably seen me at my worst, seen me at my best. Like, straight out like that. Yeah. Baby, I know you lying. So
We're trying to get to the part. She started talking.
that ain't no Dante, ain't. That's what I'm saying. See, this ain't no Dante. Oh, yeah.
Do you want to learn how to trade? My son, my daughter, and I just finished putting on a comfort for our.
I know this is gonna be ad worthy. So watch my ads.
60 watts. So what's now you see what you just said. I said, you know what? I'm gonna stick to my word. We're gonna keep this about Duck, though, for real. We're gonna keep this about Duck.
All right, let's get into the duck.
We're gonna keep this about Duck.
Okay,
it seems like the more my
let's get into these
viewers go up.
She want them views to go up.
I got 329 viewers and 239 likes. That's wrong. I'm finna play that. 329 923. Where my pen go?
Damn, I'm gonna play that.
329 923.
29923. I'm about to play that too.
923. I'm finna go on the app and play that right now for $1. Straight $1 box, midday and evening. I'm gonna do the combo, everything.
I'm about to do that too.
932. Yeah, I'm finna play that.
Thanks for that link, Sierra. I'm about to play that too. 329923. I'll be playing the lotto.
I would rather get real justice. I would rather the families of the victims get real justice. Like everybody, and I want to say this, y'all, and everybody, you know, the comments, and everybody is saying, well, do you feel like that against the mothers who your sons didn't kill? And that's appalling to me because my cousin on here right now, she a motherfucker tell y'all. I'm this type of mama, right? If I knew my motherfucking kids was out there just randomly killing motherfuckers, because I ain't gonna tell them not to defend themselves by any means necessary. You have to protect yourself, okay? If they out here doing stupid shit, or if I see my kid or a motherfucker, I'm gonna be the one to turn them in. But before I do, I'm gonna get them a lawyer. I'm gonna turn their ass in. I'm gonna ask them, did they do it? If they say yes or no, it wouldn't even matter. As a parent, I'm gonna support them. But I'm going to be the bitch that turn their ass in before I catch them or before the police kill them. I'd rather they fight that shit. My son Brick, he fought 4 years on a bogus ass case. bogus ass case. Went to jail, did that 4 years. I'm talking about Bridgeview, y'all. 99. They like they like the state fed. They like the state fed. Bridgeview Courthouse. Everybody getting convicted in that. 99.9 fucking percent convictions. If your case go to fucking Bridgeview, your ass is chopped the fuck up. Unless you got a good ass attorney. Now, I had Brick a paid attorney for like 4 months. He had scrap attorney. Scrap attorney just beat his case. So I got him for Brick. Because I knew the police was bogus. I know them bogus ass motherfuckers from Gyro sent the police in my son baby mama house because they had just shot Taquan. I'm knowing this shit, right? My son ain't do shit. Them bitch ass niggas stood on that motherfucking porch across the street. They know who they is. I ain't finna start name dropping. They stood their bitch ass across the street on that porch. And as God is my motherfucking witness, when I came on that motherfucking block, and I don't know if Bando was out there or not, but I walked that motherfucking block, and I got in every last one of them bitch ass nigga faces, and I say, y'all is disgracing Gyro name. I never even met Gyro. And he probably was a cool ass dude. But when I moved over there in 2011, Gyro had passed already. So I called they ass hoes. I say, y'all street now this Brick I'm dealing with, y'all. This Brick kept shit 100, kept shit copacetic, like for real. You want to hear a peep out of Brick if you ain't fuck with nothing he loved, or if you ain't try to fuck with him. You wouldn't even know this Brick was around unless he turning up, being his fun-loving self, taking care of business, leading motherfuckers, all type of shit. But I told they ass, y'all Gyro City. From this point on, this is Gyro City. No disrespect to Gyro. But you bitch ass niggas is bogus as hell. Yeah, I did that. And if any motherfucker on here that can vouch for me or tell you that, yeah, I took my tough ass, me and my kid, just for my son. I didn't have a crowd. But that bitch, see the difference between my kids and me? Now, Yolanda, she took you out. She ain't put you in there. She just deleted your conversation. She thought she was coming at me, G. You see, we got the last name. That's my cousin, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And mothers know they fucking kids, right? Now, the first day, let me get to talking my shit. We almost there. Some of my viewers left because they refused to like it. Because I had 310 viewers. Now it's 299. Now it's 314. Y'all will literally stop watching my shit just because y'all don't want to like it.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you watching it?
Mm-hmm.
Why y'all watching it? Gee, the man saying, shout out Blicky. He realized who Teasy was. He saying, I was locked up with him. They called him Vision. They called him Vision in jail. And he raped my cellie. The white boy. It was a white boy that the boys say raped him. It was a shock to me. Well, it wasn't a shock because if you look at his ass, he's weird as fuck. He looks like a fucking creep. Like he should have been on a Jeepers Creepers movie or some shit. Like, and he got that smell like I can be mad at all them for being so stupid and risking their fucking freedom over some shit that for one they ain't get all their money for, I'm assuming. And the motherfucker who paid them wound up checking out himself. That's that like, so now y'all stuck left with this shit. I'm looking at y'all in court, all this fucking evidence. You can see y'all faces, y'all body structure, y'all side, your mustaches, your beards, your linkiness, like it's only one tall 6'9" ass goofy. And the whole fucking video, first one hopping out the car, just doing goofy. Let me tell y'all a story about his daddy from 4-6. Used to be from 4-6. His name is L.A., right? He was best friends with my cousin Rashid, walking them all. That I'll never forget it. You know why? Because my cousin lived on lunch. And when I left, I stayed there 2 days. I took care of this man. I changed his diaper and daddy before he had C-thing. Because I thought he was Carlos' offer father. So, okay, I got the names mixed up, but you knew your son looked just like you. Tall, lanky, just as dumb as fuck. Let me tell y'all, these motherfuckers so motherfucking stupid. That's what I'm saying, and this is just my understanding of it. Because that motherfucker to Carlos' offer lawyer sit his dumb ass up, and they describing cars, and he gonna sit up there and point out what Carlos' offer had on. Open up the door for the state to bring their motherfucking identity experts in. And why the fuck they do that? That motherfucking state's attorney so fucking raw. He's so raw, y'all. He's so raw. Open up the door for the motherfucking state to bring their identity experts up. And now the other lawyers sitting there like, well, we shouldn't have to suffer for what one did and all this. All y'all on the same motherfucking case. They show the video of them running up the stairs. Clear as day, you can tell who the fuck these motherfuckers is. On top of that, they jumped their dumbass in these motherfucking cars. But I'm going to tell you this. The defense, they doing their job. They supposed to, goddamn it, defend their clients. But from my perspective, I think they just getting free money. Because they know as well as they ass is booked, cooked, and booked. Smoked turkey. Smoked turkey. Right? I ain't saying nothing wrong. I took notes, baby. I can talk about this shit. This is already done happened. So I can discuss it. Because 9 times out of 10, it was on the news. It was in a news article already. It was in a news article already. So I'm going to tell y'all tomorrow it's going to fuck down tomorrow. Because now shit finna get extra motherfucking real. And it's so raw. But let me talk. Okay, on the first day, I opened statements. The second day, first witness, Jasmine, she got up there. She only basically got up there because she was one of the last people to talk to Duck because he was showing her what she had bought CJ while he was in the store. So that's why they questioned her. You feel what I'm saying? And the blogs be talking about, oh, she read. How the fuck is she reading if they asking her, well, who was your son? They already, he was a GD. What GD stand for? Growth and development. Gangster disciple. Whatever y'all got the shit up. He was a GD. Right? So that O Block was who they is. Y'all, the defense attorney really said He using this as a defense. It's funny. This one crack y'all up. They talking to the witness, the state witness, and they say, well, did you know Michelle Obama was from O Block? In front of the jury. Michelle Obama. What the fuck? It wasn't O Block when she was living there. It was Parkway. Y'all said that O Block ain't become O Block until OD died. That was in what, 2010, 11? Michelle ain't lived there since she was 3 years fucking old. And it was not O Block when Michelle Obama lived there. Like, it's giving scam you for your money, then I know your ass book. That's what it's giving to me. That's just my opinion. You are innocent until proven guilty. You are innocent until proven guilty. And they have yet to begin to bring the real witnesses. They just using some like, when I tell you these motherfuckers is cold. Okay, now from my notes, the first witness, okay, they was asking her if she knew about O Block. But she did very good. Yes, can't even look. I say they ass, now this the second day. I say they asses can't even look me in my face. In my damn face. Yeah, I was just like, right. I say 3 cameras recorded their whole movement. 2 witnesses. 3 witnesses. Viewers seen cars flying to get to Duck. The license plate number, BM25459, license plate number belonging to Kennel Roberson. Then you got BY19386, license plate belonging to Carlos Offer. Like y'all did this shit in y'all real motherfucking cars. Then, okay, the police. He testified that he knew Duck from being Duck. He was actually seeing Duck that day. And he was watching Duck. And the reason he said he was watching Duck because he know Duck and who he was. And he figured Duck might have a gun on him. But he at work. Because he know Duck ain't finna be out here back without no protection. So that's what made him keep an eye on Duck. Probably like, being a little side security or whatever. And I met Duck before in 2017. And they were downtown in the park. And they were making noise, I guess. And he approached Duck and said, man, can y'all move? And Duck politely said, yes, we will, sir. And moved the whole motherfucking crowd. This was in 2017. So I know they've been digging. I know they've been digging like a motherfucker. They done looked up that boy record. Fuck what y'all thought he did or what he rapped about. Where the trail? Either he the smoothest motherfucking criminal in the world, or they cannot say that he was like he lived. I ain't finna take no gangster shit from my son. I promise you this is not what I'm on here doing. Because he was that. In every sense of the fucking word. And anybody know him? No, I ain't lying. That really knew him. Okay? That really knew him. So, yeah, the police, he was right there. They showed the video when the people got to running like this shit was crazy. Like this tall, big, goofy, him and this little dumb, wavy head ass motherfucker just jump like up the stairs, same clothes on, then jump out the car with their hoodies tied down and long strings on the hood, and they connecting these. Like this got to be the dumbest shit ever. The dumbest hit in history. I know the BD's real upset about this. I know they real upset about this. Because they probably done opened up the floodgate for every motherfucker to get booked. And you can't blame nobody but them. They wasn't banking on Vaughn leaving here. He was here. I ain't gonna take that from him. But see, when God playing don't align with y'all, who y'all think gonna fucking win? Who playing y'all think gonna get served? Not y'all. Who reporting my live? Get them trolls off my shit. Block them. I don't even want they sub, G, for real. I don't even want their ass to subscribe to me, for real. Get their ass off my shit. I know my shit ain't buffing. Get Shay Willie up off my shit. I know it ain't. Get up off my shit. Real talk. Matter of fact, you're taking too long. I'll do it. High user from this channel. You go ahead on about your business, baby. Go ahead on about, because it's like zero tolerance, and that's what I'm saying. Jay, I'm freezing. I'm freezing. What part just cut out? I was. Oh. Unblock them then. They say I was freezing. Unblock them. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to give a good commentary, and I just don't. I'm good now. Okay, Shay Willie. I'm sorry, baby. I just don't want no trolls, okay? Jasmine, where's that? Where's that? And I get so frustrated, child, because I know if I want justice for my baby, I gotta sit through this shit. But can y'all just imagine seeing that? Can you imagine seeing your child do something like that? Unless you know that type of person. But if you know your baby ain't that type of person, and they a family person, and to see your child do that to one person as a mother, as a father, he got to do something to your spirit because you ain't raised them like that. I'm getting asked to. That's not good. Pour it in there. Mix it. Pour it in. That was
ice. This is watered down. You can pour this and mix some more.
No, that's why you should mix it and then go get a half and drop it in there. And pour some more juice in it. And two more Jolly Ranchers.
Juice, not this watered down water.
Well, why are you bringing it to?
What you asked me for?
A cup of ice and some water. You can pour that out if you ain't gonna mix. And you know, they was asking about, you know, the people that testified. You know, one of the witnesses, she was actually in the store and she saw it actually, and she saw who jumped out. And you know, white people, they hear shit, they run to it instead of running from it. So she say she stood, she know it wasn't like they was coming at her, so she watched it. And guess what? It ain't no coincidence that this lady is a fucking car expert, child. She a car expert. And she was crying. She was on the stand because she saw my baby. And she saw him trying, and she didn't know Duck from a can of fucking paint. But they say, what made you? Because she said, I just saw somebody lying on the ground, begging for somebody to help them. This lady crying like, it's like this to see Duck's dad and to see his family. You know, none of my kids has came with me to this trial. Not one of them. Not neither one of them. Not Lachey, not Will, not the Don, not Sierra. None of my kids have yet to step up in that fucking courtroom. Because I know how they are. And I don't want us getting kicked out the courtroom, y'all. I know they'll get emotional. Like, I would want my kids to be like, if your man not stable enough, just stay home and just let me tell y'all about it. Because I have a lot of support. I have a lot of people just like supporting me. Okay? They really are. I have a lot of people supporting me. And I'm not a juror. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I eat. I'm a web journalist now. Okay? And this is how I eat. So I ain't no different from a news report. As clear as fucking day, you can see all of them. That ain't it. You can see every last one of them. As clear as day. And every time they show their face, I look at them. And it's that motherfucking Kenny Mac. He like, yeah, we got his ass, bitch. Now deal with it. I don't give a fuck if I gotta let a nigga braid my hair for the rest of my life, or I might get raped and have to suck dick for noodles for the rest of my life. We killed Duck. That's the vibe I'm getting off him. That motherfucker rap, slurping turping. Yeah, that's what we gonna call him. Ralph Slurping Turpin. That's what we gonna call his ass. Because I done already heard he taking little boy booty boxes and shit. So he gonna fit right on up in. He another motherfucker. I think he's slow for real though. Like medically, like need medicine. I don't know. But it's too late to file a insanity defense. Trust me on that. You know what I'm saying? Your defense was your dumbass lawyer actually popped out and said, why would he want to hurt him? They grew up together on 46 and Ellis. Turpin's mom and his mom are friends. This was their opening statement for their fucking defense. And I'm sitting here looking like, please prove these motherfuckers did this to my baby, because I already know they did. Please prove this, because that right there is a whole lie. And when motherfuckers say I'm going to hear some shit about Duck that I don't want to hear, that was one of them. I had to get the fuck up out the courtroom, because I don't give a fuck what nobody say. My baby ain't know them. My baby ain't no Ralph. He ain't no none of them motherfuckers. But everybody knew who he was. He the alleged top op. He the one Vaughn want the most. He the one like, yeah. He the one Vaughn want the most. So yeah, they risked it all. They risked it all. C murder. Dumb as hell. Y'all know a reporter asked me today, right? She a lawyer. She was sitting on their side. So we going for the break. And she asked me, she said, can I ask you a question? I said, yeah. She got her phone. Start playing dead bitches on the phone to be. What's up in this woods, yo? You know, she's like, oh, I didn't mean to play it. She said, do you know what he meant by this? I'm like, what? And she said the part, and no offense, Mimo, we like this, like we ain't beefing, but this is what she asked about the song. And she saying, what did he say after yeah, let's talk about Shirai. I know that hurt the heart. And I was like, probably somewhere listening to his iPod. She say, okay, now what did he say after that? So I had to think. And I say, yeah, wait. You heard about Lil Steve. Yeah, I heard about that too. But fuck him though, he a pack too. Is that what he said? I don't even know if that's what he said. But I'm assuming that's what he said. I love you, Mimo. I got plenty of, I ain't on nothing, but I'm just speaking on what was said, G-Ball, for real. Okay? Because we pushing this peace shit and it's gonna happen. And the only way a motherfucker gonna get it if the motherfuckers who was with it then got it. So y'all ass can get it. Cause it's fucked up. Do better by y'all kids, y'all. Grab your kids so the streets won't give them. Tell your kids you love them. Because my baby stroked their ass. He stroked their ego so hard, G. On top of many other things. On top of many other things. Clear as day, y'all. Every pod camera, everything, like they this far behind each other. They like this. This how close they is. This how they is. One leave up out of there, the other one right behind it. They running lights. That mission had to be accomplished. Then I heard they threw a whole old block party. They threw a party. While the mayor then barricaded them in Parkway and protected them and told, like, put the bulletin out about, it's a nationwide war. The gang member FBG Duck was murdered on the Gold Coast. So they had army tanks in front of that bitch protecting them. They threw a big ass party. They threw a finished duck party. Ain't no more odds party. What the man say? They say, what I say in the video, they asked the man, What you want for your birthday? Oh, I got my birthday present. My man, I'm dead. One person got rid of 10 motherfuckers. And I ain't gonna say got rid of them. Karma hit them. And I'm gonna break it down to y'all. I'm gonna break it down to y'all right now. And this ain't no offense to Bond family or none of that, but this is the truth. And I think I deserve the right to talk about it. So I'm gonna speak on this shit. I'm finna shut up.
Said too much.
Let me go and be right back. I'll be right back, y'all. Give me a 2-minute little intermission. By the time I come back, I hope I at least got at least 550 likes. Like, for real. After they did it. Hey, boo-boo. You watching me? I like Biggie and Pac. And it wasn't even 6 months. That ain't no coincidence, y'all. It ain't no coincidence that all along was there to see him leave here, ran and left him, and for him to be picking up by Moolah out of all people and thrown in the fucking car. I can just imagine his last words. I can imagine that baby last words. And I can just imagine what he was thinking. Because he ain't know it was going to come like that. But ain't no motherfucking way. See, the duck people weren't letting him send himself off like that. I don't give a fuck. Duck was about improving shit. He done proved his shit already. He done solidified this shit. He done proved it. Who knows to you? Who knew to you? Hey, you just made that channel. Welcome, babe. Okay. Welcome to the chat. But that's why I felt so not sad, but sympathetic to his mom. And then everybody tried to get on me about that fucking post that I shared after I saw how they did my son. That's why I shared it. Because it triggered me, y'all. I synced that post in June. I synced it in June, y'all. And I was like, wow, whoever posted this, they must really love Duck. Because this shit facts. Before I actually synced the whole thing. And then I was briefed on the shit and synced how my baby was in the middle. These motherfuckers jump out. Then they jump out. They go past the cop. Jump out the Chrysler. Run up to him, shoot him while he on the ground. While the black car run around the other car and shoot. So all 4 of them shooting at him at one time. And only 16, we heard it. They heard the sound, G. Like, it was like never ended. The longest 12 seconds you will ever want to fucking hear. And to see my baby on the ground after being shot 16 times and still ain't died. But the motherfucker who dropped his load across the street the whole time watching it didn't even leave. How you waiting on a ride in your car that you came in still parked right there? But somebody chase you with a gun and Duck by himself. Oh, that's your story and you sticking with it. All them cameras down there. I want to see a video where somebody in a gun chased him. With a gun chased him. That's just his story. He was asking for a ride. That's gonna be the kicker when they played the actual video. Now his lawyer came out like he wasn't trying to drop no low on Duck. He was asking for a ride. He needed a ride because somebody chased him with a gun. So he's running in stores trying to find somewhere for cover. But this one security guy, he done said the wrong motherfucker's name and acting too fucking erratic. He took it out his motherfucking pocket and recorded this clown ass nigga. You asking for a ride, but you saying, what's D thing number? Somebody called D thing. Where badass at? I'm watching Duck right here. Where they at? Where everybody at? I got them right here. But you asking for a ride? I can't wait for the jury to see this shit. I'm going to see what they lawyer going to say then. Dumb. And I think this they first time seeing the actual footage. I don't think they were shown because the lawyers, they in the little screens like, because I believe it was their first time seeing it too. They put the handsomest picture of my baby, his driver's license, his ID picture. And when I tell you he had his chain on, y'all, he was just, and I just watched them look at my baby picture because it show on both sides of the screen. They family see it. They gonna hold their head down. They don't even want to look. Baby, hold your head up high. Be proud that you raised the dumbass killer that's so stupid that a motherfucker to send them off and then down. Yeah, that's what happened. I hate to sound cruel about it. I hate to sound like I hate it. But it's happened. It happened. We ain't gonna try to act like this shit ain't happening. We ain't gonna just sweep this under the rug. Welcome, Darko. One. Yeah. So, yeah. You could tell these motherfuckers never tried a fucking federal case. But you are innocent until proven fucking guilty. You are innocent until proven guilty. So sad. I be looking for truth teller. I don't know where the fuck he getting his information from. I don't know. Then the evidence, what they say was in the paper, the calls, the text messages, the calls. Take it to Parkway. We on Duck right now. Then after they killed Duck, send a picture. Check Spot News. Like, thank you, Trip. Check Spot News. Like, how you gonna dispute that? Somebody had y'all phone. If you on your way to see Duck and you texting, the motherfucking tower's gonna be pinging from your dumbass phone. Not only the fucking pod lights got your ass, the towers got you too. Very, very heartbreaking. And for what? And for what? But guess what? When this shit all over with, and whatever the case may be, guilt or innocent, 9 times out of 10, I'm praying for a guilty plea. I hope they parents have it in their heart to at least, because I grew up with 2 of their parents. I grew up with 2 of their parents. I hope they at least have it in their heart to say, thank you for not approving them getting the death penalty. And I'm sorry that they did your son like that. And it ain't the fact that they did, how they did it. They can't blame nobody but themselves for getting caught. They can't blame nobody but themselves for getting caught. What you expect? They got cameras in the trees. They have real off-duty police officers in their stores doing security. It's a high-end place. Oprah Winfrey stayed 2 blocks up the street. I'm sick of it. I'm just sick of it. I'm sick of it. What they expect. What they expect was going to happen. Let them get cocky. What he say, do from 60? After seeing it, it wasn't no rapping moonwalk cap. I swear, he ain't never lied when he said that. We was messed up. Dude from 63rd couldn't get back up. Then once he things say, he made a song too. Yeah, mama's crying, your mama crying, all this shit. This the birthday boy calling me, y'all. Happy birthday, baby. I sure did, Chef. I got you, though. I'm finna send it right back. All us need, and I just be glad when a person reach out to me that if I have it at the time, it don't be no hesitation. If you say give, I'm giving. If you say borrow, it's to be a problem because usually I don't like borrow, lending money out, especially to friends, because when you ask me for my $20 and you tell me you're going to pay me on that day and you don't pay me, when I ask you about the $20 and your response, damn, you tripping over funky ass $20, it wasn't funky when your ass and your funky ass needed it. Now it's funky when I want to fucking get it back. Give me my funky fucking $20 and you'll never get shit else. That's why I don't like borrowing money. I mean lending out money. If I borrow money from you and I tell you, okay, can you lend me $75 to the 3rd? On the 3rd, before 12 o'clock, before it hit the 4th, you're going to get your money. You ain't going to have to call me and say, hey, can I get that? Can I get that you borrow? No. Just like I called you and asked for your shit, I'm going to call you when I'm about to give you your shit. You're not going to have to call me. You didn't have to call me to loan it to me. I called you, right, and borrowed your shit. So I'm going to call you when it's time for you to get it. On that day, I said that you're going to get it. Jasmine! Jasmine! She left.
Let us see if she got anything else about the case. I played her part of the case, and she got deep insight. She the mama, you know, and I wanted to get it from her instead of bringing y'all the news sources and from anybody else. She got it live. And if you follow what she said a lot about she was close to the people who shot FBG Duck parents. You know, she grew up with the parents. And it's a whole lot of shit coming out. Like, you know, with her, she don't want to give a lot of detail, but she is giving a lot of detail. And you know, I believe this case resumed Tuesday, I believe, or Wednesday. But now we'll give you the case. Tomorrow AM, 10:30 AM Eastern time, 11:30 AM. Between those two times, you can watch the YSL trial in full entirety here. So we bring you the YSL trial in its entirety. Be sure to you can watch it here first. And we got the YMW Melly trial. So stay tuned, you know, hit the notifications, hit the like button. So y'all ain't gonna be able to, you know, we dig for the sources to see where you find it, and we do the easy work for you. So let us do this for you. You know, all you have to do is hit those notifications, and then when the trial come on, you'll have it here first. But yeah, it's interesting, and we'll see what happens this week in this trial. She said it all. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I gotta get up in the morning to share the YSL trial. Young Thug, this is gonna have some major implications. So be sure to be up for that trial. It's gonna be like 3-4 hours, so y'all already know. All right, thank everybody for joining. G Money must be New Sierra. As always, Pretty Brown. Salute. You on vacation, Pretty Brown? Hope to see more of you this week. Gonna be live every single day, as you know. So live every day, even on Thanksgiving. I got a Thanksgiving show for y'all. So so stay tuned for the Thanksgiving show. Matt Peel gonna bring y'all a reliable, trusted source We don't bring no propaganda. You see Mad Pill, you know, it's like TMZ. It's the truth. Donate to the chat. Donate. I'm gonna always put pass the offering around before I end it. Passing the offering around. But we don't have to pay you. Tune in for free. Mad Pill, I appreciate everybody for joining. Keep on hitting those like buttons. And we'll be back tomorrow early for the Young Thug YSL trial tomorrow hearing. And it's gonna be some major implications. So tune in. Thank y'all for joining. Peace.